Good day, friends. My name is Sandeep Nagrani, and I'm based out of Delhi. I work as a business analyst with finance companies, and today we are going to discuss on something about mutual funds. तो आज का सवाल है why you should invest in mutual funds. इससे पहले कि हम ये कहें why you should invest in mutual funds, मैं कहना चाहूंगा why you should invest. सबसे पहले हम ये तो जान लें कि इन्वेस्टमेंट जरूरी क्यों है. So why you should invest? The answer is very simple. To create wealth. Of course, हम पैसा बनाने के लिए इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं. Now, why do you want to create wealth? See, there could be multiple reasons to create wealth. We create wealth to fulfill some of our financial goals, our financial needs. Now, what are those needs? Those needs could be your retirement planning, higher education for your kids, marriage planning for your kids. You may be planning to buy a house after a few years. So these could be some of the goals. Apart from that, you also need to create an emergency corpus in case of any exigency in the family. अब सवाल ये आता है, why you should invest in mutual funds? See, there are multiple reasons why you should invest in mutual funds. I will begin with number one. The number one reason is mutual funds are well-regulated products. They are regulated by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Many people do not know that there are products like chit funds which are not regulated. So number one reason to invest in mutual funds is they are well-regulated products. Number two, transparency. Mutual funds are transparent products. The NAVs, the daily NAVs are declared every day. If the NAVs are not getting declared, there are huge penalties. Apart from that, mutual fund portfolios are available in public domain. So अगर आप चाहें तो किसी भी म्यूचुअल फंड का पोर्टफोलियो उठा के देख सकते हैं. And these are very, very transparent. The portfolios are updated every 30 days by the mutual fund house. So number two reason to invest in a mutual fund is they are transparent. Apart from that, mutual funds are managed by experts. If you are not financially savvy, if you do not have research skills, if you do not have expertise, or if you do not have time, you can hand over your money to a decent mutual fund house run by decent mutual fund managers. Of course, there are multiple mutual fund houses in India. You select based on the consistency and past record and decide accordingly. So आपका पैसा is managed by well-qualified managers, people who are experts in their domain. Apart from that, I would like to say liquidity. Liquidity is one of the prominent reasons why you should invest in mutual funds. The mutual funds fall under financial assets. There are two types of assets, financial assets and non-financial assets. Liquidity is and will always be an issue with physical assets. For example, real estate. If you wish to sell your house in a jiffy, it cannot be sold. अब चाहे कल अपना घर बेच दें या एक हफ्ते बाद बेच दें, you need to have a buyer. You need to get a proper buyer. Plus, you need to get a proper price of your asset. Mutual funds being very transparent, daily उनका price declare होता है. And if you want to sell, you can sell at the press of a button. Equity funds, 4 दिन में आपका पैसा आपके खाते में डाल देंगे. Liquid funds, you can expect your money to get credited within 1 day. And there are debt funds, where you can expect your money to get credited within 2 days. So liquidity is one of the major plus points of mutual funds. Apart from that, mutual funds are well diversified. When I say well diversified, they are diversified across asset classes. देखिए, म्यूचुअल फंड्स अपने आप में एक पास थ्रू व्हीकल्स हैं. आप उनमें जो एसेट क्लास डालेंगे वैसा ही रंग निकल कर आएगा. इसका ऐसे समझिए, पिचकारी में आपने लाल रंग डाला तो लाल रंग निकलेगा, पिचकारी में आपने हरा रंग डाला तो हरा रंग निकलेगा. Similarly, when you put equity into any mutual fund, the result will be equity. When you put a bond in a mutual fund, the result will be a bond fund. If you put gold in a mutual fund, the result will be a gold. Mutual funds give you an option. आप जिस asset class में पैसा डालना चाहें, equity, debt, gold, or even a blend of all these, you can do so. So this is a very good reason to invest in mutual funds because they give you a diversified portfolio. Investing in mutual fund by default gives you diversification क्योंकि एक म्यूचुअल फंड कम से कम 25-30 सिक्योरिटीज में इन्वेस्ट करता है. So your money automatically gets diverted towards multiple securities. इसके अलावा geographies, you can spread your money across various geographies. If you want to put your money in American market, Japanese market, Brazilian market, European markets, or across the globe, yes, there are such mutual funds available. So you get geographical diversification. Apart from that, you get capitalization diversification. इसका मतलब ये है, if you want to put your money in large caps, you get access to large caps. If you wish to put money in mid caps, you get access to mid caps. If you want to put money across multiple caps, yes, you can put your money into flexi caps. So diversification is one of the prominent reasons to consider mutual funds for your investments. Apart from that, mutual funds are tax friendly as compared to fixed deposits. फिक्स डिपॉजिट्स में जब आप पैसा डालते हैं तो भले आप चाहे पैसा निकालें या नहीं निकालें, हर साल ऑन द अक्रूड इंटरेस्ट यू हैव टू पे टैक्स टू द गवर्नमेंट. दिस इज नॉट द केस विद म्यूचुअल फंड्स. म्यूचुअल फंड में तब तक आप टैक्स नहीं देते जब तक आप अपना पैसा नहीं निकालते. प्लस इफ यू आर पुटिंग मनी इनटू डेट फंड्स यू गेट द बेनिफिट ऑफ इंडेक्सेशन व्हिच इज नॉट एट ऑल अवेलेबल इन फिक्स डिपॉजिट्स. तो अगर 3 साल से कम आप इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं तो रिटर्न वाइज फिक्स डिपॉजिट और म्यूचुअल फंड्स एक होंगे, बट म्यूचुअल फंड्स विल बी कंपैरेटिवली टैक्स फ्रेंडली. 3 साल के बाद म्यूचुअल फंड्स विल गिव यू इंडेक्सेशन बेनिफिट, तो आपका टैक्स आउटगो भी कम होगा. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई यू शुड कंसीडर म्यूचुअल फंड्स फॉर योर इन्वेस्टमेंट.